Do you remember me?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Just remember, once you were driving in your car, but I thought you may get isolated from driving. That's why I should drop this live now. And this is the person, Bunny Blue. That's I got you. I'm really so happy. What's up?
Not a whole lot, just chilling.
Ah, okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing actually, but now I am sitting on my chair and just trying to talk to the foreigner. As you know that I am learning English.
Doing good.
Yeah, and that's I just first come in my live and I saw you on my list and then I requested you. So glad to be with you that you accepted me.
I know, I'm finally able to.
Yeah, well, you are very rare omen, I think.
Well, the past several weeks I have been very busy, so I have not had any time
Oh, yeah, okay.
to get on any of this.
That's your dog?
Yes, that's Maple Jones.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not too big. I think the baby dog.
She's still quite little.
Oh, little one. Did you buy this dog or whatever
No.
else? Sorry?
No.
So?
My friend was getting rid of them, so I got one.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's really so cool. So you don't have work today?
I've got haircuts later, but it's been a very slow week this week, and I hate it.
Oh, good.
I like to be busy.
Oh, yeah, I know. That's why I don't get you on the live platform. So what are you doing now?
I'm just chilling. Gonna watch a movie soon, or I don't know if you've ever watched the show called The Office, but I'm going to restart that show.
Oh, that's cool. What is your plan for today? You don't have any special things today?
No, just a couple of. I've got to pick up my kids in a little while from school, and then I've got a haircut after that.
Yeah.
That I have to do.
Yeah, that's cool. You adore your dog very much.
I do. I love her very much.
Dog.
Look how snug.
Yeah. Really perfect. So, how is weather?
It's very sunny, but chilly.
Yeah. Okay. Very silly. Okay. So you're just getting the sun bath. That's why you are just sitting next to your window. Oh, beautiful weather. Is that your home?
Yes.
Okay. Do you stay with your parents or you stay alone?
Alone.
Okay. So you married?
No.
Oh.
Just me and my children.
Oh, okay. So how old are your children is?
So my oldest is 10 and my youngest is 6.
Oh, perfect. I
Do
think
you have children?
No, I'm not married. I'm just still single.
Well, how's the weather out there?
So, you know what? It's the night time here, but weather is not too bad. It's good weather. During the evening moment, it's quite cold, but during the daytime, not cold, not hot. Very perfect.
Right.
What I wanted to say that you looks like actress. So cute. I think your age is 25 to 28. That's I guess.
Nope.
Ah. So
Nope. I'm 32.
32. How do I believe that you are
29?
I'm 29, yeah.
Nice. That's a good age.
Yeah, that's a good age. Well,